Adas Vidyalaya Maths online class. Today we are going to enter 10th standard. Wish you all the best to all my dear students. Hard work never fails. So work hard and achieve your goal. Wish you all the best once again. Good luck my dear students. So in 10th syllabus, in our subject Maths, 8 chapters are there, including graph and geometry. So first chapter is relation and functions. So already 9th standard itself we studied set theory. They say what is the meaning of set? Set is a collection of well-defined object. The extant concept of set in two form is relation and function. That is the first chapter in the 10th standard. So before entering the class, we discuss how to maintain the node. So this is a public exam node. So you maintain the node properly. So you follow the unruled node and long size node. You separate node in classwork, that is the exercise problems. In another separate node for all exams. So you should write the question in black color and answers in blue. If you need rough color means work out in pencil. Put the margin neatly and maintain the node properly, because this is a very important. While exam time, you want to see the note only, so you maintain the note properly. Is it clear? So first one, relation and function. Before we recall one time the set theory. So set is a collection of well-defined object. This notation is, this is the set bracket. The set name always write the caps A, B, C like that. The elements write in small letters segregated with the commas. And next union. So what is the meaning of union? Combine the two sets. So A and B sets. Combine the elements. And intersection. Intersection means common. So suppose here AE, that is A set is AB, B set BC. So how we write? Here B is common. So you write only one time. So A union B is A, B, C. That is A union B. A intersection B means common only. So here B common for 2. So B only want to write A intersection. And difference. A difference B. So the elements belongs to A but not belongs to B. So here A belongs to here B? No. So A. Here B belongs to A and B belongs to B. So not A difference B. So that's all. So the elements belongs to A but not belongs to in B. So this A difference B. And the formation, roster form, set builder form, descriptive form, and the difference are A dash or complement. So these are the same things. So once again you recall the 9th set theory and then read these definitions. Have you understood the students? So next in our 10th standard relations and functions, first we discussed Cartesian product. What is that? Cartesian product. So Cartesian product another name is cross product. Cartesian product another name is cross product. Cartesian product another name is cross product. So what is the Cartesian product? If A and B are two sets, first we consider any two sets, that is A and B, then the set of all ordered pairs A comma B such that A belongs to A, B belongs to B is called the Cartesian product of A and B and is denoted by A cross B. This one how we read? A cross B, not A into B, A cross B. So that A cross B is equal to set of A comma B such that A belongs to A comma B belongs to B. So here A we take A B, B we take B C, no. So this A belongs to capital A and this B belongs to capital B. So how we write A cross B? A comma C, and next second element here first B comma B and B comma C. This is a Cartesian product of A cross B. So that is if A and B are two sets, then the set of all ordered pairs. Here write all the ordered pairs. Here two elements. Here also two elements. So totally we get 4 ordered pairs. Such that A belongs to A. Belongs to means this element in this set. Already studied in 9th standard set. B belongs to B is called the Cartesian product of A and B and is denoted by A cross B. That A cross B equal to set of A comma B such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. This is an example of Cartesian product. For example, in our class, in your place is third row, that is second position. So that is the first, second, third. So third, first place, second place. So third row, that is second position is in your place. So that is mentioned that order pairs. So we see the sums. First one example 1.1. If A equal to 1, 3, 5 and B equal to 2, 3, then first one find A cross B and B cross A. A cross B means first you want to write first element, A elements and second B elements. B cross A means first we write B elements, second A elements. Second option is A cross B is equal to B cross A. Want to check it, A cross B answer and B cross A answer is equal or not. If not equal, why? Third, so that n of A cross B, n means cardinality, so number of that. So here A is AB, so n of means what? How many elements? So A have only 2 elements, so n of B 2. Here n of B 2, 1, 2. So that is the cardinality of the set A. So that is represent n of A. So n of A cross B equal to n of B cross A is equal to n of A into n of B. First find A cross B answer and find n of A cross B and n of B cross A. And n of A answer and n of B answer multiply means we get the answer. 3 we want to check it. Is it clear? Here given A equal to 1, 3, 5, B equal to 2, 3. First option what we want to find? A cross B and B cross A. So A cross B is equal to here first A given. So write A elements 1, 3, 5 cross B elements 2, 3. So A cross B means ordered pairs. So here first one 1, here 2. So 1 comma 2. Next 1 comma 3. Second 3 comma 2. Next 3 comma 3. Next one 5 comma 2. 5 comma 3. Is it clear? First one 1, 2 and 1, 3. Second 3, 2, 3, 3. Next 5, 2, 5, 3. So that is A cross B. Next B cross A. So first you want to write B, second A. So B elements 2, 3. 2, 3 cross second A. A 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. The same model. You find here 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1 and 2 comma 3. 2 comma 5. Next 3 comma 1 and 3 comma 3. Next 3 comma 5. That is the B cross A answer. First one we take and complete the second set fully, all elements. And the second elements and the second set all elements. That is the A cross B answer. This is the B cross A answer. Second option A cross B is equal to B cross A. you want to check it. A cross B answer and B cross. Check it. Here 1 comma 2. Here any elements 1 comma 2? No. Here 1 comma 3. Here no 1 comma 3. Here 3 comma 2. No 3 comma 2. So A cross B is not equal to B cross A. And ask why? If not, why? So here 1 comma 2. Suppose we take in the graph 1 comma 2 means x axis 1, y axis 2. So 1, here 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Here 1, 2, 3. So 1 comma 2, this one 1 comma 2. But here 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1. What is that? X axis 2, y axis 1. 2 comma 1. Is it equal? No. Next 1 comma 3. Here 1 comma 3. But here what is it? 3 comma 1. 3 comma 1 means here 3 comma 1. So is not equal. 1 comma 2 is not equal 2 comma 1. And 1 comma 3 is not equal to 3 comma 1. So therefore the remaining also etc. So the remaining also 3 comma 2 means here not equal to 2 comma 3. So like that all elements are not equal. You should write any two elements. So the remaining all elements also not equal. Therefore A cross B is not equal to B cross A. So next third option, n of A into n of B is equal to n of A cross B equal to n of B cross A. These three you want to check it. So before you want to find n of A. N of A means cardinality of A. So A how many elements? 1, 2, 3 elements. So 3. N of B 1, 2. And next n of A cross B. A cross B answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements. And n of B cross A. B cross A answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. And next find n of A into n of B. So the answer 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is equal to 3 2s are 6. So what we get? N of A cross B is equal to n of B cross A is equal to n of A into n of B. All the answers are 6. So third option is also verified. Is it clear? So A cross B, first you write A elements and then second B. B cross A means first write B and A. Don't confuse and write carefully. Next we see example 1.2. If A cross B equal to 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 5, 4, then find A and B. Here A and B given, we have to find A cross B. But in the second question, A cross B, this answer given, we have to find A and B. So how to find? Here 1, 3, 5, this is 1, 1, 3, 3, 5. The first coordinate first elements. Second 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. So that is the second coordinate elements. Here B. So 2, 3, that is the first 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 3. That is the first one is first coordinate elements. A, that is the second coordinate elements. 3. Here 3 second coordinates. 1, 3, 5. So 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. So that is the second coordinate elements. So the same things we follow here. So given A cross B is equal to 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 5, 4. So how we write? A is a set of all first coordinate because this is the A first one. First coordinates of elements of A cross B. This A cross B, A is a first coordinate element. So what is the first coordinate? Here 3, 3 and 5, 5. So what is that? 3, 5. So A answer is 3, 5. Next B is equal to, B is a set of all second coordinate of elements of A cross B. Second one is the B. So what is the second one? 2, 4, 2, 4. So what is the answer? B is 2, 4. Is it clear? So here A, B given given, we have to find A cross B. But in the second example, A cross B given, we have to find A set and B set. Have you understand? So we see one more problem. Now we discuss example 1.3. Let A is equal to set of x belongs to n such that 1 less than x less than 4 and b equal to x belongs to w such that 0 less than or equal to x less than 2 and c equal to set of x belongs to n such that x less than 3. Then verify that first option A cross B union C equal to A cross B union A cross C. Here A, B, C, 3 set given. We want to verify this answer. So this one, have you remember this? Already studied in 9th standard. This is a set builder form. We want to convert it into roster form. So how we convert? A is equal to x belongs to n. N is a natural number. That n belongs to natural number. The condition is such that 1 less than x less than 4. So the numbers lies between 1 to 4 but not equal to 1 and 4. So the answer is 2 and 3 only. Next B is equal to x belongs to w. W means whole number such that that number lies between 0 less than or equal to. So less than or equal to means 0 also come. So 0 and 1 next number 1 less than 2. So less than 2 only, not equal to. So less than 2 means that's all. Next C equal to set of all x belongs to n. N is natural number such that x less than 3. So natural number starts from 1 and 2 but less than 3 means. So that's all. I understand A, B, C how to find. So next B union C. Union means combine. So write the B set and C set. B set 0, 1, union C 1, 2. So combine these two. What is it? Combine 0, 1, here 2 times. So write only one time. 1 and 2. Here 0, 1, 1, 2. So 0, 1, 2. That is B union C. Next you find A cross B union C. A cross B union C answer. A answer first you write. 2, 3. Cross B union C. B union C 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. So write first 2, 0. 2, 0. Next 2, 1. Next 2, 2. 2, 2. Next second element 3, 0. And 3, 1. Next 3, 2. So first you take first element and write all the 3. And here 3, you write all the 3 elements. That is A cross B union C. So this one is equation number 1. That is a LHS side. Next you find RHS. Before you complete the bracket, that is A cross B. So write A is 2, 3. 2, 3. Cross B answer 0, 1. 0, 1. Find A cross B 2, 0. Next 2, 1. Next element 3, 0. Next 3, 1. So A cross B completed. Next A cross C. First write the A elements. What is A elements? 2, 3. Cross C elements 1, 2. So let's find A cross C. Here 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 2. Next 3, 1, 3, 2. And then substitute. That is A cross B 0, 3, 1. Union A cross C. A cross C answer 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2. So that is A cross B answer. That is A cross C answer. These two substitute. And union means combine these two. So write here 2, 0, 2, 1. Before the check is here 2, 2, 3, 0, 3, 1. And here 3, 2. Here 2, 1, 2, 1 already written. And next 3, 1, 3, 1 already written. At last what we get? 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2. That is marking number 2. See the equation 1. 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2. So from 1 and 2 we get from the equation 1 and equation 2 what we get? A cross B union C equal to here RHS A cross B union A cross C. That is the answer verified. Is it clear? Here one more option is there. The same method. First you complete bracket and then LHSI. And then RHSI bracket and the 2 bracket and then complete the RHSI fully. And verify LHS and RHS. So second option homework. Now we discuss exercise 1.1. First one, find A cross B, A cross A and B cross A. Two set given, A and B. A is 2, minus 2, 3 and B 1, minus 4. Second, A and B both are same, P, Q. Third option, A is M, N, B is pi. That is a null set. So there is no element. The symbol is pi. So here first option you have to find A cross B, A cross A and B cross A. Second option also using these two sets find A cross B, A cross A, B cross A. Third option also the same things. First we see the first option. Given A is equal to 2, minus 2, 3 and B is equal to 1, minus 4. First we want to find A cross B. A cross B. So A cross B is first you write A. 2 minus 2 3 cross B 1 minus 4. So first find first one. So 2, 1 and 2, minus 4. Next say second element minus 2, 1 minus 2, minus 4. Next third element 3, 1 3, minus 4. First one 2 and here 2, 1 2, minus 4 and minus 2, 1 minus 2, 4 and 3, 1 3, minus 4. That is A cross B answer. Next one A cross A. A cross A means first you write A. Here what is it? 2 minus 2 3 cross again A. 2 minus 2 3. B cross B means B and again B. So write 2, 2 and 2, minus 2 and 2, 3. Next take minus 2. Minus 2, 2 minus 2, minus 2 minus 2, 3. Next one 3. 3, 2 3, minus 2 3, 3. Is it clear? Next one B cross A. First you write B and A. So B elements 1 minus 4. 1 1 comma minus 4 cross A 2 minus 2 3. So complete it. 1 comma 2 1 comma 2 1 comma minus 2 1 comma 3. Next second element. Minus 4 comma 2 minus 4 comma minus 2 minus 4 comma 3. That is B cross A. Next second option, using this A and B, you have to find the same 3. So second option, given A is equal to PQ and B also PQ. First you want to find A cross B. A cross B is equal to A PQ cross B also PQ. Both are same. So now you find P cross P. That is P comma P, P comma Q. Next Q comma P, Q comma Q. Both are same. A answer also PQ, B answer also PQ. So A cross B, PQ cross PQ. So P comma P, P comma Q, Q comma P, Q comma Q. Next you find A cross A. A cross A also P comma Q. That is P comma Q cross again A, P comma Q. So here A cross B and A cross A answer are same or different? We will check it. So A answer PQ and again A answer BQ. Here A answer BQ, B answer also BQ. So the answer is same. P comma P, P comma Q. Next Q comma B, Q comma Q. Is it clear? Third one, B cross A. B cross A. What is B? PQ cross A PQ. See this, what is the answer? Here P comma P, P comma Q. Next one Q comma P, Q comma Q. Is it clear? So see that A cross B answer, A cross A answer, B cross A. All are same or different? Same. Why? Because both sets are equal. So that time only that A cross B and B cross A answers are same. Next third one. Given A is equal to M N. A answer M N. B answer is null set. So B answer null set. First A cross B. So A cross B is equal to Mn cross null set. Here there is no elements. So how we get the ordered pairs? No. So the answer also empty set. Next A cross A. A cross A. A answer Mn cross Mn. So what is the ordered pair? M comma M and M comma N. And here take N comma M and N comma N. That's all. So A cross A answer write 2 times A Mn cross Mn. So get the ordered pairs. Third option B cross A. B cross A. B is empty set cross A. Mn. So here empty set, there is no elements. So can't get ordered pairs. So the answer is empty set. Have you understand? So here using the given sets, we have to find what we want to find, A cross B or B cross A or A cross A or B cross A. So these type of questions are 2 more questions. Whatever asked you find that answer only. Today's homework, exercise second round letter, third round letter and example 1.3 second option. Example 1.3 first option already completed, the same model second option. Exercise second round letter, A set given, B set the set of prime numbers less than 10. So you converted into roster form. Prime numbers less than 10 means what are the elements? 2, 3, 5, 7. So using the A set and you converted into B set and find the answer. Exercise third sum, example second question model. So you completed these 3 sums. That is a today homework. Thank you students.